Hi, man, let's go run together. Let's go, boy. I'm ready.
Okay, let's rock.
Hello Echelon, my name is Nicole and I'm here to show you proper form and how to set up your Echelon stride. Now first, before starting any new activity, make sure to consult with your doctor first. Also, make sure to warm up and stretch to prevent any injuries. Let's get started. To set up your stride, manually lift the handles to the top of the treadmill. Then, pull the handles down till you hear them lock into place. Pull the tablet holder to your desired position. Next, flip your switch on. Now you're ready to go. Before you run, make sure to attach the safety clip to an article of clothing. If you need to stop the treadmill abruptly, pull the safety clip. It's important to notice the numbers on screen if you're not connected to the app. In the center, you'll see your stats and below pre-programs. On the left-hand side, you have your quick incline options. Right-hand side, you have your quick speed options. Press the buttons to go to that desired level. On your handlebars, you have speed and incline. Push these buttons to increase the speed or incline by 1 level. Below that, you have your heart rate monitors. Place your palms directly on the heart rate monitor to show your pulse on screen. To maintain proper form, make sure your feet are aligned under your hips, your toes are pointed forward, not outward, your core is engaged, your shoulders relaxed, and your spine lengthened. Bend your elbows 90-degree angle and try to avoid looking down. Now I'll show you how to connect your Echelon Fit app to the stride. If you see the stats on the screen behind you, you are not connected. To connect, simply select a class, hit play, tap the red bar at the top of the screen, select stride, hit start, you'll hear a 3-second countdown, and your belt will start. Now during a class, your quick options are still available. Simply press on one of the buttons and your speed or incline will increase. If your tablet is already connected, simply select a class, hit play, and your belt will automatically start. To store your treadmill, press the tablet holder so it is parallel with the floor. Press the button on the underside of the handlebars to release. Then, press the red lever on the left-hand side of your treadmill and the handlebars will auto-fold.